Okay, so now we have the second type of questions, that is the string must end with something. So let's do this one. So the string must end with something. So here the first example is string must end with a. So let's discuss this question where the string end with a. Now you can think about the language. Firstly, the language can be denoted by capital L, and we know the string must end with a, and the smallest string in this case is a itself. After this there may be a, b, or any combination of a, b. So it means the string must end with a, and you can observe here the string must end with a. It means we have initial state, that is q0, and we have another state, that is q1, with input symbol a, and must end with a means q1 is the final state, and we are not going to take any input symbol for q1 because it is the final state, and the string must end with a. So must end with a means before a there can be any combination of a and b. It means the q0, this q0 can take b as input symbol, and this b can be repeated number of times. Now you can observe q0 has responded to a as well as b. Now what happen if we have at q1 we have a? So if after this a will happen, it means the string is going to be accepted, because this is the end of string. So after BAA, suppose we have a string BAA, it means this string is ended with a, so going to be accepted. So BAA, like this. So if what happen if q1 has input symbol b, so it means we have to go back towards q0, because at the end we can't take b as input symbol at the end of string. As for the question is given, the string must end with a. It means if b comes here, we have to go back towards q0, then a will come, and that is going to be accepted. For example, we have a string b a b a, so it means b first input symbol, then a, we are at q1, but after this q1, which is a final state, if we observe an input symbol b, so we have to go back towards q0 and then taking a another symbol, input symbol, and we are able to land at the final states. So kindly keep in mind the end must be with a. So this is the diagram for this question. That's for this example. Next we will do the next example.